Anti-government protesters on the streets of Batu town, around 170 kilometers south of the capital, Addis Ababa. Release our people, they chant. This woman insisted we hide her identity. She says she was arrested on her way to her local market, where there'd been a protest nearby after a night in a jail cell. She was among around 30 other people ordered onto a bus and told not to look outside. 7 hours later, she says they arrived at a camp.
At the camp, they put us in a cell, then the next day they ordered us out for what they said was sport. They beat us as they ordered us to exercise, and when we got tired, they continued to beat us. I tried to do what they said, but I couldn't, so they beat me more. Even when I was running, they were beating me all over my body.
She says she was repeatedly interrogated.
5 or 6 policemen interrogated each one of us every day. They kept threatening us. They said, if you give false testimony, we will kill you.
Opposition groups say there are many people believed to have been arrested who haven't been seen or heard of since. Protests that started in November among the Oromo people have spread. The Amhara have also started demanding greater political and economic rights. The Oromo and Amhara are the two largest ethnic groups in Ethiopia. They accuse the government of being dominated by an ethnic Tigrayan elite who are ignoring their constitutional rights. The government says it's reaching out to opposition groups to hear their grievances, and police found to have committed abuses will be called to account.
We'll do whatever it takes to make sure such things do not happen, and if they happen, the people are not left unaccounted for.
This regime,
the opposition say they have heard this many times before.
We want all political prisoners, regardless of any political stand or religion or creed, be released from the jail. Together with this, we need democratic rights.
The UN Human Rights Commission has called for the release of people it describes as having been arrested for exercising their rights. The government here says that it will launch an investigation into allegations of police abuse. But meanwhile, the killings, the detentions and the arrests continue. Protesters are vowing to continue their anti-government demonstrations, many of them demanding to know where their missing friends and family members are. Charles Stratford, Al Jazeera, Addis Ababa.